think they're coming here to Ukraine. It's another country. We've got another traditions. So maybe they should check in advance some specifically Russian traditions, like to give some flowers, to give more attention, because Slavic women are like more womanish, they're sensitive, they want to be cared.
Right.
And as I've heard that American women, I've heard that American women are more like materialistic. And here in Ukraine, we need more those feelings, some chemistry, some tick, So maybe they should check some traditions and be more attentive to women. And once more, they should take care about their appearance, because here, women here, they are cared, they look perfect at work, during parties and evenings, So they should take care about the appearance, the look, the wearing, clothing, everything.
Yes, I noticed that. I noticed that, like last night's social.
Girls were just brilliant.
Yes, they were dressed very nicely, and they take their time to get ready.
Sure.
And they got, I try to tell the men, wear a nice, nice button-up, long-sleeve shirt.
At least
slacks.
iron.
At least iron it. Oh. Yes. Some, unfortunately, some things happen. I know it happens. But I am told that the one thing that the women take most attention of is their men's shoes. Why is that?
And the nails.
And their nails.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because, it's the details, those small details.
Right.
You only have one chance to impress.
The first impression.
Yes. So those details, I think, the most important.
Right.
So you should care the hair, ears, nose, nails, shoes, like t-shirt or something. Let it be not a garment, yes, but just a t-shirt, but it should be clean and ironed.
Check out our website at... If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.
Before the tour, I didn't have any expectations. I just saw the videos and was intrigued and decided to hop on a plane and get over here.
It was that easy.
It was that easy.
Okay. So now that the tour's coming to an end, compared to, what you thought before,